Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today's August the 12th, 2021. Man, I really wanted to come in and give you all an update into the market in Moderna. You know, our last video, which was August the 4th, we told you all that you may need to wait. We need to allow this market price in Moderna to come down. And look at that. The price came down. We need to talk about this though. We want to know if this is the prime opportunity to come in and buy Moderna. Like, I'm gonna keep it real with everyone in our community. You might think that this is prime opportunity because the market price in Moderna is hitting our ascending line that we've drawn on our last video. But I got you. I'm gonna show you all what I'm expecting the price to do right before it gets there, all without being confused, so that we all can eat, so we all can win against our opponents. Right? So join our community for real. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. We're going to be real with everyone in terms of where we're looking for this price to go in the markets. And we're going to show it to you in a way that is not confusing. So let me show you all, okay? There's some things that we need to talk about. And I want to show you some things that I'm seeing on the chart that we need to address, that needs to be spoken about, because everyone else is going to come in and try to tell you to buy it up. No matter where the price is, we can always go lower. We can always go lower and they will still tell you to buy it. And you will always be at a loss because you're buying at prices that you should not be buying. You need to have someone in your corner to say, look, you might want to pump the brakes. You might want to wait because it's not done. The weakness is still in the market. So check this out. Already, the price in Moderna is trading right there on our ascending line. So the question is, should we come in and buy the market now then, right? Because the expectation when you see the market trading around a trend or an ascending line, descending line, whatever the case may be, you need to perk up. You need to say, okay, what's going on? Are we seeing the market really coming through? Are we seeing the market in Moderna really trying to buy up the price on this ascending line right here? Are we seeing that? Or can we expect this price to go lower? That is the question. Let's see if we can answer it. Okay. So check this out. This is the 3-day time frame into the market in Moderna. This is the biggest cause of concern right here. I don't care what anyone tells you. We've, for the time being, are done with seeing the market in Moderna go higher in price. The last two completed 3-day price bars. Take a look. Right there. The market got inundated with people selling. Okay. People are selling. And if people are selling, why would you want to come in and buy what they're selling? That is ridiculous. You need to follow the herd. You need to follow what the majority of people are doing. And people sold on this last completed 3-day price bar. Cool. But we don't want to see that right here to where we've closed on our ascending line. We don't want to see that. We want to see people buying the market here, and we're not getting that yet. Okay. Now, this is the 3-day time frame. Can we see the price? Okay, I'm just trying to throw some hypotheticals to you. Can we see this price in Moderna follow this trend then? All right, so let me push this back to the daily and look at that. Could the market in Moderna come all the way down here and test this trend then? Because we have definitely broken away from what we were on previously back in May. We were in a very slow upward move in Moderna back in May. But then right there, July the 16th, we completely broke away from that. Well, it really started back here in July the 8th. We broke away from this overall trend. So now it's about time for us to come back down to earth. It's about time for us to come back down to some stable ground. So when I'm looking at this, okay, I'm not expecting the price to hold this trend right here. I'm not. We're too far away from where the overall market has been in Moderna. Like, it completely exploded. And now it looks like the fumes are about to be let out. What about on the 2-day? Okay. 2-day time frame. So I'm gonna help us out, right? I'm gonna show you where I'm looking for the price in Moderna to go so that we can be prepared. All right, so check this out. I'm seeing a couple of areas though. First one is like right there around 360 to like $340. $340, like 340 to 345, right? We can see this market in Moderna go. Okay. So my areas first is gonna be like 360. Second area would be like 340. So let me see, how much can we eat off that? When we say 360, that's about 6.25% movement to the downside that we can see. To hit the market at 340, we can eat about 11.25 or 11.5 right there. We can eat that. Okay. Now that's feasible. You know, that's very doable for the trap to bring the value of Moderna down to those price levels. That's very doable. Now, what I'm going to do is, rather than us hold this ascending line, right? I'm going to get rid of it because it's not going to play a role into where the market is going to go. It has already completed its purpose, right? So since we're not expecting the market to hold this trend right here, we don't need to have it on our chart. Boom, take it away. All right. So now, this is the play. All right. This is the play right here. We're going to play the weakness in the market in Moderna right now. 360, 340 is going to be the first areas that I'm going to look. Just to look. We're going to peep through the window to see if the market's grabbing some support, because if it's not, we got this big catch down here on this ascending line. I'm going to be real. All right. So give me that. So check this out. Let's do it. So we're going to play the weakness into the market in Moderna. Okay. And we said that 360 will be the first area that we can eat, which is around what, 7.62%, all the way back down to 340. Okay, that's our expectation. And our restriction is going to be all the way up here. I see two areas. 420 is first, is closer, but $445 is next. Okay. You all can already see that there's some buyers trying to come into the market in Moderna. But we're not going to be tricked into that. Okay. This is the play. This is what we're looking forward to over the next week, maybe 2 weeks, that we can see this market continue to drop in price, because I'm really playing this on a 3-day, right? This is where I'm really seeing the weakness into the market in Moderna. Now, apparently you guys can see that the trap has more selling to do, because if he was really trying to move the market, the price would have already completely went lower consecutively. So obviously there's still a little bit more business that he needs to conduct at these prices. But we're not going to be fooled, because many people, you can already see how the price is trying to support right here. Okay, I already see that. The moment we break this support area, which is around $375, yeah, we're going to go a lot lower. So I'm definitely eyeing that number right here. That is the spot to eye. We maintain price above it, then I'm here to tell you already, yeah, our prediction is wrong. I mean, I'll show it to you. I'll give you that, but give me this prediction though. All right. So that's the play. This is what we're expecting the market price to do in Moderna over the next 2 weeks. All right. Give me that right here. Give me that. So now I want to know, drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me, what are you noticing on the chart in Moderna? I mean, dang, where we going? Right. We need to make sure that we win. We need to make sure that we eat in this space. So this is what we're looking forward to. What are you looking forward to? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.